Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and today we are solving this problem from grade 6 HCF LCM, that is playing with numbers chapter. So let's start. Two tankers contain 850 ml and 680 ml of oil respectively. So before going to the next statement, let's draw a picture. This is the first tanker. It contains 850 ml of oil, and this is the second tanker. It contains 680 ml of oil. So let's go to the next statement. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. So they are talking about another tanker, a small tanker, a small measuring container. So we have to decide the capacity of this small measuring container, so such that it can measure the oil in both the tanks in exact number of times. What does it mean, exact number of times? That means when it measures, nothing is left. Now that means this container, the capacity of this container should be a factor of 850 as well as 680. Then only it will be able to measure it exact number of times and nothing will be left in the container. So since it has to be a factor of 850 and 680 both, and we need a maximum capacity, we need to find out the HCF of 850 and 680. So let's do that. So we write it in this form, 850 and 680. Children, if you know your tables well, or if you have studied numbers well, you must be knowing both are multiples of 17. 17 is a prime number. So we can, although we need to start with the smallest prime number, but keep this in mind, 17 is a factor of both these numbers. So here we have 425 and here we have 340. Again, now both these are now going with 5. So 8, 5, 85. Now 6 and 8. So now there is no option left. 17 is the number which is the factor of both these. 17 5s are, 17 4s are. Now stop here. If you see, 5 and 4 are consecutive numbers. And since they are consecutive numbers, that means they come one after the other. They are co-prime also. So this is a signal that you stop here. So our HCF is the product of these numbers. So let us find out the HCF. It will be 2 times 5 times 17. Now here 2 times 5 is 10. So 170 is the HCF. So the measuring cylinder should be of 170 ml. So now let's see. For this, it will measure 5 times, and this it will measure 4 times, which we got at the end of our prime factorization. Here, 5 times for this cylinder container and 4 times for this container. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.